welcome to Manisha tutorial. Today I am going to teach you about conditions for solvability of linear equation. It is useful for 10th CBSE, correct na? For 10th CBSE, forthcoming exam 2nd December, 4th December you have maths paper. For that, guarantee you will get K type question, unknown value of K, which one is based on find the conditions, three conditions of solving linear equations. Linear equations, as I told, so there would be two equations, variable x and y, and constant will be a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. So as you are very well known that linear equation general format, a1x plus b1y plus c1 0 first equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 second equation. So then three conditions are there. What are the condition? Number one, when both lines will be intersecting or means equation, both equation will have unique solution. Only one solution, x is equal to something and y is equal to something. Okay, so then x is equal to something and y is equal to something, means in that time, means if you will draw graph on both equation, then both lines will intersect each other. The both line intersecting also condition 1 or equations have unique solution, namely, then you will be asked question, okay, what will be the value of unknown value of k, so that both equation will have unique solution. So condition you are very means knowing in proper way how to find out constant value a1 b1 c1 in given equation a2 b2 c2, then a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 for condition. फिर second condition, both equations have infinite number of solutions, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Condition just keep in mind. And third condition, condition number 3, equation has no solution. No, both equations will have no solutions. No solutions means a1 condition would be a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Three conditions always keep in mind. Condition 1, intersect unique solution, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, infinite number of solution, always all equal, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Third condition has no solution, a1 by a2 b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Based on all three ideas, conditions, I will solve three problems and easily. What sort of problems will be asked in your exam? Please see it. Question number 1. See question number 1. Based on conditions, what type of question you will be asked in MCQ question for this topic? Question what type? You see just what for what values of k for which the system of equations this one will have unique solution. Will have unique solution. Unique solution. Correct na? Unique solution. This one. So then first option k is equal to other than 6, b is equal b option k equals 2, c option k equals 3, d option k equals 1. Answer you will how you will proceed for answer. See, we know first of all both equation we will write in the form of ax plus by plus c. Bring it left side, minus 3 is equal to 0. Compare it with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Second equation 3x plus ky minus 1 is equal to 0. Compare it with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. After comparing here nothing is there, means q1 multiplied means a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to here comma b1 is equal to here, just see which sign you will take, minus 2. Don't forget to take minus sign. c1 is equal to minus 3. c1 is equal to minus 3. Here compare a2 is equal to 3 and b2 is equal to k, comma, and c2 is equal to -1. So condition, required condition you will write for solving a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 for unique solution. We have done in theoretical part. For unique solution, see, a1 value is 1 and b1 value is -2 and a2 value is 3, b1 value is -2 and b2 value is k, is not equal to. Here condition we will write not equal to. Then k is not equal to, cross multiplication you do, 3 into -2, k is not equal to -6. What its meaning? K will have all values of numbers other than 6. K is not equal to 6. 6 won't be the answer. Other than 6, k value will have, if you will keep here k value other than 6, then pakka it will get some solution, unique solution. So that other than 6, option A is correct answer. Option A answer. Came to know how to solve for unique solution. Is not equal to, you must write, so that proceed afterwards. Now question number 2. Now come for question number 2. Now for what value of k, for which the system of equations 2x minus 3y equals 7, second equation, k plus 1 into x in bracket 1 minus 2k into y is equal to 5k minus 4 has infinitely many solutions. Second condition. See, the for options you are asked MCQ. So option k equals 3, 5, 7, 2. Which option is correct? You have to say answer. Now here answer you see. First duty, keep in mind here conditions for infinitely many solutions, so that you should not forget. For infinite many solutions, all three constant must be equal. A1 by A2, B1 by B2 must be equal C1 by C2. Here what are the values of A1, A2, B1, A1, B1, A2, B2 and C1, C2? So here just you write 2x minus 3y is equal to 7, minus 7 is equal to 0 you do, k plus 1x plus 1 minus 2ky minus bracket 5k minus 4 is equal to 0. Here we can get here a1 is equal to, compare to, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to, comma, minus 7. Here I am writing a2 is equal to, with x whatever multiplied, k plus 1, b2 is equal to whatever multiplied with y, 1 minus 2k, and whatever c is with minus sign, 5k minus 4. You will write 5k minus 4, all those things. As our here condition, just take a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, because k value easily we can get. a1 is 2, a2 is k plus 1 equals b1 is minus 3 and b2 is 1 minus 2k. Cross multiplication you have to do for getting k value. Only one unknown, so we have to proceed for cross multiplication. In cross multiplication, equal to down equal to this into this cross. 2 into 1 minus 2k, here minus 3 and here bracket k plus 1. Then 2 multiplied by 2 into 1 2, minus 2 to the 4k equals minus 3k minus plus minus 3. then equal to, down equal to, always maintain equal to, down equal to. Here 3k you bring this side, the minus sign will be positive, minus 4k as it is, minus 3, minus 2 will go this side, it will be minus 2, minus k is equal to minus 5, minus minus cancel, then k equals 5. We have value k equals 5. We have option, yeah, 3, 5, second option B, k equals 5. Very good. Option B answer. K equals 5. How to solve? Condition first you keep in mind. For unique solution a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. For infinitely many solution a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. Here we have everywhere k, so we can take here b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2 also. But to here equality a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 gives us k value. Even you can solve b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, you will get the same value 5, k is equal to 5. It will not create any problem. So our second question done. Now come for third question. Yeah, now come for question number 3. For what value of k for which the system of equations kx plus 3y equals k minus 2 and 12x plus ky equals k has no solution? Option k is equal to plus minus 6, k equals plus minus 4, k equals plus minus 2 and k equals plus minus 3. Then answer here we will start immediately. For no solution write condition, so that you should not forget condition. a1 by a2 b1 by b2 should not equal to c1 by c2. K value we have to find. Here from first equation, here equation number 1 you write first equation. First equation will give you a1 value, nothing is k, x multiplied x, b1 value 3 multiplied here with y, and c1 value is k minus 2 with minus sign, it will come the left side, so equal to 0. So minus k by 2, k minus 2 it will come. Now here a2 is equal to 12, b2 is equal to k, and c2 is equal to here k also, so minus k it will come left side, so minus k is equal to 0, because we have to compare a2x plus b2y minus c2 is equal to 0, so minus k. Why I put minus? So that reason. Now condition we will put a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Let us start with k by 12 equals 3 by k. Okay. Now k cross, after doing cross multiplication, here I am writing k square is equal to, here 12 3 ja 12 into 3 36, k square 36, k equals not only 6 plus minus 6. Okay. And what about third condition? Here answer we got here first option, then option A correct answer. For your satisfaction I am doing here third other condition, b1 by b2 is equal to c, not equal to c1 by c2. So b1 by b2 is here 3 by k equals minus k plus 2 and minus k. Here cancel minus minus k, so k plus 2 equals here 3, then k equals 1, means k is not coming equal to 6, it is not equal to, then k is not equal to 1, then plus minus 6. Our answer is correct, k is plus minus 6. It is coming for not equal to, we should only up to here you will do, and then easily you can take. Here for your satisfaction I did how it is coming. Not equal to 1 means plus minus 6, correct answer. Then third question over. For based on all three conditions. Now based on only idea you have to keep in mind and solve the conditions accordingly, then you can solve. Now come for question number 4. Question number 4. The pair of equations x is equal to a and y is equal to b graphically represent lines which are parallel, coincident, which are means कि we have to mark option A, B, C, D, parallel, coincident, intersecting at A and B or intersecting at B and A. Lines are both of lines are x is equal to A and y is equal to B graphically. How to tick the answer? For answer, I am saying you why not to draw the completely honestly on Cartesian plane. X dash y dash, x is equal to a. Here x is equal to suppose a distance. Here graph will go like parallel to y axis. This one is a line, equation of a line parallel to y axis, and equation x is equal to a. Here to here a distance. Here y is equal to b, positive b. Here to here b, keep in mind. Then equation of line will go like this. This equation will have y is equal to b equation. Then here to here a, here to here b. So you can write here this intersecting point a and here vertical distance b. So then here both lines are intersecting at a, b. Third option. Why not to draw honestly the graph? Always x is equal to constant. Keep in mind, x is equal to constant. Graph is parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis. It will work a lot. Y is equal to constant if this one here all constant value na a b, then parallel to x axis. Working a lot. And now we have to here find out na point B A or A B. So here I did like this, positive A, positive B. So then here coordinate you can write intersecting point A and B. Well known this answer. So intersecting at A and B. Now come for question number 5. Come for fifth question. Come for fifth question. If a pair of linear equation is consistent, this word please keep in mind, consistent, then their graph lines will be parallel, always coincident, always intersecting or coincident. Answer, how will you choose? Consistent means always we are learning that both equation will have unique solution. Unique solution means x will have some value, y will have some value. So this condition is going, intersecting also will give you one solution. If coincident line will be there, then infinite number of solution you will get here. So then intersecting and coincident, both answer will be there. If pair of linear equation is consistent, then their graph lines may be here is graph lines will be intersecting, that will be okay. But coincident also, here one solution and have here solution also, here solution also, each and every point will give you solution. So correct option going for D, intersecting or coincident. Okay, now this one answer. Now come for question number 6. Now come for question number 6. If a pair of linear equation is inconsistent, in word you have is added here, inconsistent, then their graph lines will be parallel, always coincident, always intersecting or coincident. Words keep in mind. If consistent means immediately I told in previous problem, intersecting or coincident. Here inconsistent means you will not get any time solution. So lines will be parallel. Okay na, means not any solution. Inconsistent means I am writing here clue. Inconsistent means not any solution. Not any solutions means line will be parallel. Lines will be parallel. Two lines parallel. How we can get here this value, no any meeting point, so that solution we won't get. So that here parallel answer. Okay. Now come for question number 7. Now come for question number 7. The pair of equations y equals 0 and y equals -5 has option. You have to take for correct answer. One solution, two solution, infinite many solutions, and no solution. How will you take the correct answer? Here see for answer clue. Answer y is equal to 0. Always keep in mind it is a graph of x-axis. Correct na? Here 0 and x dash, this itself x-axis is y is equal to 0. No up, no down, so y is equal to 0. And if extra x is equal to 0 means y-axis. This one extra I have written. Okay, and y is equal to -5. -1, -2, here y dash, -4, -5. It will go like that. Then -3 here, -5. Then other will be here -5, 0, -5, -1, like that. Here this graph line will be y is equal to -5. Here y is equal to 0. Both lines are parallel to each other. Always distance between both means ki lines will be -5 will persist, so that both line will never intersect each other, so that no solution. So answer solution is D. This one option correct. Okay na? Understood from drawing the correct graph? So that keep in mind x-axis equation y equal to 0, y-axis equation x is equal to 0. How much correct distance? -5 parallel to x-axis. Here y is equal to -5, so that both lines will not intersect at any point, so that no solution. For this video is today's video over. Next time I will do other polynomial chapter, and please solve it, like it, share it, and subscribe it, and share with your friends also. Okay na? Solve it properly, you will not have any problem. Minimum 3-4 marks you will get from this chapter, this topic I am saying. Okay na? So please solve it, subscribe it. Okay, bye.